Hello and welcome to another QuickBooks tutorial with EC QuickBooks Training. Today we're going to talk about what is retained earnings and how does that display in QuickBooks financial statements. I have the profit and loss and the balance sheet. Now retained earnings is a balance sheet account and it will display under the equity. Now why is it not displaying under equity here in this balance sheet? Well, first of all, what is retained earnings? Well, retained earnings is the company's losses, profits, and minus losses and any dividends. So as we can see for 2016, let's just say I started this company in 2016, I made $6,500 as my net income. Now because I started in 2016, I don't have any cumulative earnings minus any dividends or losses from the previous year. So that's why retained earnings is not coming up, or it's not showing on the balance sheet under equity. So what happens when I change the date here? Let's just go to the next month, January 31st, 2017. And as you can see, net income changed to retained earnings. Let's do that again. The reason it doesn't show in 2016 because it's not cumulative. It's just showing our current net income for the year. As you can see, 6,500, 6,500. I have the full year and then the full year for the balance sheet. So let's change that again. As you can see, net income 6,500. And when we change it to the next period, January 31st, 2017, QuickBooks changes it to retained earnings. Now what happens when we enter a transaction in the current period? Let me go ahead and do that. I want to show you what it will look like. I'm going to write a check here real quick. And I'm going to date it in the current period. So I'm going to date this. I'm going to say January 20th. Yes. And I want to refresh. Here we go. My net income is negative 3,000. Why is that? If we change the dates here to the following period. Oh, let me refresh. Give me one moment. Okay, I have no income, so this is correct. QuickBooks is displaying this correct. I have no income recorded, just that expense, that check that I just entered in QuickBooks. So my net income in this current period is negative 3,000. As you can see, it displays the income I did in the previous year. So that's what happens under the equity account and under retained earnings. So as you see this under your equity account on the balance sheet, you will start to understand what retained earnings means. And that's what I wanted to cover in this QuickBooks tutorial. I hope that this has helped you, and if you have any questions, please visit my QuickBooks website at ecquickbookstraining.com, and don't forget to subscribe to continue receiving these videos. Talk to you soon.